guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I'm Caitlin, and I have something really fun for you today. We are going to make Tangled-inspired hazelnut soup in a crock pot. So if you're familiar with the movie Tangled, apparently Rapunzel's favorite soup is hazelnut soup. I always thought that sounded absolutely delicious, and I decided to come up with a recipe inspired by that movie. Now, it's my daughter's favorite movie. I've watched it a gazillion times. If you say hazelnut soup, she goes, Tangled! So this one's for my little daughter, and I hope you enjoy. So I did a lot of the chopping ahead of time, but on this plate we have 4 parsnips, 1 leek, 4 shallots, and a couple cloves of garlic. This is all the vegetables that are gonna go into this soup. So you're just gonna go ahead and dump all of that into your crock pot. Now, we're gonna actually blend this soup at the end, so you don't have to worry about the size of your vegetables because they'll get really nice and soft in the broth, and then either we're gonna use an immersion blender or a traditional blender. There's just a few more ingredients to the base of this soup. In my spice dish here, I have a little bit of allspice. I have rosemary, thyme, scallion, and a little bit of parsley, and salt and pepper. We're gonna pour that in, and then we're gonna do 1 green diced up apple. You're gonna wanna peel the apple because, as I said, we are gonna blend it at the end, so you don't want all that skin in your soup. After that, you're gonna just pour in some beef stock. If you're trying to keep it vegetarian, you can absolutely use vegetable stock, but I like the flavor of a beef stock. Up to you. Then we're gonna make sure that all of our vegetables are covered and put the lid on it and let it cook either on low for about 7 hours or high for about 3 to 4. So you must be wondering, where are the hazelnuts? And we are gonna get to that step right now. We are gonna preheat our oven to 350 degrees and roast our hazelnuts just on a tray for about 20 minutes. After that, you're gonna crack them and take out that nice nutty center and put them to the side. They have a really good roasted flavor at this point, and we're gonna actually dress our soup with the hazelnuts at the end. So we got our hazelnuts all roasted up and our soup is cooking, and there's only 2 more steps to finish this delicious soup. After you've cooked either your soup on low for 7 or high for about 3 to 4 hours, you're then gonna add in some heavy cream. If you're gonna do a half pint, just add it in and then let it cook for about 20 more minutes or so just so that the cream warms up. Then you're gonna run it through either an immersion blender or put it in your traditional blender. Dress it up with some hazelnut and some scallion, and that's it. Like Rapunzel, you have a delicious hazelnut soup. So when you're digging into this delicious soup, you can thank my daughter and all the times that she's made me watch Tangled to come up with this recipe. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more videos every week. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.